This is a product review of the Yuneec UAV Pilot. I purchased this off of eBay for $40 plus shipping, and I'm giving it a review. First, you got to install the software from the website, and then after you do that, you got to get started right here. First, you got to click on the application. Now, after it loads, you got to bind the transmitter to the simulation program. Turn on the receiver and everything, and the first thing you do is go to bind. And then you have to do the same thing on the transmitter. Then after hitting OK, going back and forth, and if you're lucky, you get it to work. There's the number. Now it should come right up on the end that it successfully, bind, bang, bang, to each other. Then you have to go back and now you can start. The program is not that impressive at all. I'm going to show you the edge. I'm going to fly it up, and I'm going to go over to the side and show you what happens when you hit the outer limit of the program. And here it goes. It has red bars. Don't even get the crash, just has red bars. That's a disappointment. I love to crash. So now we're taking off again. Now, this is the only field that they have, and it's very, very small. So you can get quite bored with this field instantly. The program, in my opinion, you can go and use the unit. It's a lot easier to use that than this. Next, this is pretty well, my opinion, waste of $40. So I wouldn't recommend anybody buying this. Right now I'm just flying back and forth. I like to crash things, so I'm trying right now to crash it, and it's not cooperating very well. It crashed right there at the edge of the grass, but the program dies instead. So right now I'm pushing down to trying to crash it. There you go, I got one. Because who wants to fly level with a computer program? That's boring. And this one right here, I'm heading to the trees to see if it has the red bars. And what happened here, the computer program locked up. So it just quit functioning. So I had to restart it from here because it just died. So now we're just going to do one little circle again and try to dive down. And the only way you can crash this thing is if you can get it close enough to the ground to where it roll. But you can't run into any trees. You can't land on any roofs. You can't do anything. They do have a couple other sections of this program. It's a flying box that you can stay in the middle. That's about 3 minutes and you're totally bored. So here we're coming in. I'm trying to crash this thing, and it does right at the end. So now we're just going to take off, and I'm just going to try to jam it straight down into the ground to see if it lets you. Because you already know in real life, you can crash these things if you want to. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful, and I enjoyed making the video. And please subscribe to my channel. That will help me out with YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.